He doesn't have a cog. Let's give him a head start.
Why not? It's not like he can transform.
Oh yeah? Well, watch this. Evening, everyone. Hey, fellas. Thanks for the head start. You want to give me another one?
You're dead!
I'll take that as a no.
Hey, watch where you're going, Lo.
What did you say, no cog?
Sorry, sir. I didn't mean you. I was referring to the bot who was behind you.
Where'd he go?
The filthy red and blue bot has a big mouth, squeaky joints, gives off a corroded metallic stench.
Where is he?
He went that way.
When I get my hands on him.